It was a weird day at my shop here. Welcome back. My name's Anthony, and this is my channel and my shop. It's just finished up the turbo install on this. I finished up the wheel restoration. Caleb is balancing them. Jude is putting the OEM center caps on. I actually just cleaned them. I didn't paint them. Well, you know, what year is that? What year is a Jeep?
95.
1995 Jeep.
Jeep YJ.
Oh, we'll give you the full zoom. We'll give you the zoom out. He's finishing that. We're gonna try and knock this all out. New tires, rear shocks on the Jeep. Let me show you the brakes. Valve cover gasket on the Iron Duke 4-cylinder. Jeep made two great engines. The 4-cylinder in this Jeep, and the boom. The bad thing about this is the leaf spring front suspension. This is a rough rider. Well, that's the way they like it. All right, thanks for watching, everyone.